Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First things first, Yahoo often locks an account after too many failed sign-up attempts. But don't panic. Typically, the lock lasts for a short period, such as 12 to 24 hours. So, what you want to do initially is quite simple. Wait it out, give it some time, then try again. Often, this cooldown period is enough for Yahoo to reset the counter, allowing you to proceed. Now, if you've waited and are still encountering issues, a quick trick is to clear your browser's cache and cookies. You're using Google Chrome. You'll want to click on those three little dots in the top right corner of your browser. From there, select Clear Browsing Data. Once you're in that menu, set the time range to all time and make sure to check off the boxes for cookies and other site data along with cached images and files. Then simply hit Clear Data. This will often give you a fresh start without any stored data that might be causing issues. Sometimes the browser itself can be the problem. If you're still finding it difficult to log in, try switching to a different browser entirely. This could mean using Firefox or Brave if you're currently a Chrome user, or just another option of your preference. Additionally, another clever trick is to use incognito or private mode on your browser. If you decide to go the incognito route in Google Chrome, just press Ctrl, Shift, and N simultaneously on your keyboard. This will open a new window in incognito mode where your browsing history isn't saved and cookies aren't stored, all of which could help you successfully create that Yahoo email account without interference. By following these steps, you should be able to overcome any hurdles and get on with creating your Yahoo email account without too much hassle. So that is how you can fix too many failed attempts while creating a Yahoo email account. So that's all for this video. Thanks.